Today, we're going to talk about the surprisingly simple science of splitting water, electrolysis. I mean, what if you could turn water into fuel with just a battery? Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, you can actually build a simple version of this yourself. It's incredibly easy. You see those bubbles? That's it. We are literally tearing water molecules apart. The electricity splits the water into its two core components, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. But here's what's really cool. If you look closely, you don't get equal amounts of each. The reason why is right there in the name, H2O. You get twice as much hydrogen as oxygen. And there is even a classic test with a distinct pop to prove you've made hydrogen gas. Now, it seems super simple, but there's a catch. This whole thing doesn't work well with pure water. Turns out, pure water is a terrible conductor. It actually resists the flow of electricity. So, you have to add an electrolyte. Think of it like opening up a highway for the current to flow. And this simple idea has a really long history, eventually evolving into a powerful technology. Today, there are two main types. Alkaline is cheaper, but PEM is way more efficient. So why does all this matter? Well, it's because not all hydrogen is created equal. See, this process lets us make green hydrogen, a truly clean, zero-emission fuel. But right now, almost none of our hydrogen is actually green. The vast majority comes from fossil fuels. And the climate impact of doing it the old way, well, it's huge. For every single kilogram of that gray hydrogen, about 10 kilograms of CO2 are released. So the big race right now is to make these electrolyzers more and more efficient. Because higher efficiency is the key. It makes green hydrogen cheaper and a real competitor. So, could this simple experiment really hold the key to a much cleaner future for all of us?